Now, let's look at creating the graph for this second linear equation in two variables. I'm going to switch pens here so that the black line will be the solution expression, the graph for the equation 2x plus 3y equals 12. And then I'll draw the blue line that will be the expression, that will be the graph of the solution set of the linear equation in two variables, y equals 3x minus 4. So let's start by graphing the point 1, negative 1. Again, you start at the origin, go to where x is 1, that's going to the right, go to where y is negative 1, that's going down 1 unit. So there's the point 1, negative 1. Let's plot the solution 2, 2. So we start at the origin, go to where x is 2, then go to where y is 2. So there's the point 2, comma 2. One of the other solutions to this blue equation. Let's go to the point 3, 5. Again, start at the origin, go to where x is 3, and up to where y is 5. So there's the point 3, comma 5. And let's plot one more point, the point 0, negative 4. Starting at the origin, where x is 0, we stay right there. And going where y is negative 4 takes us down here. This is the point 0, comma, negative 4. And once again, we see that those points lie on a straight line. So we draw the straight line. See how good a job I can do drawing the straight line. Better than sometimes. And this blue line represents the solutions of this linear equation in two variables. Every point on that line, if we plugged the x and the y in, would be a solution. They would make the left side identical to the right side. Oh, here's something interesting to consider. Look what these two lines did. Those two lines intersected. That means right there, you are at a solution for both the blue line and the black line. So if we could figure out what that point was, when we plugged it in here, it would solve this equation. And when we plugged the x, y values here, it would solve that equation. And we're actually going to learn how to figure out what that point of intersection, what that point of common solution is for those two linear equations in two variables. We're going to learn how to figure that out algebraically a little bit later. If we had a very sophisticated graphing tool, we could figure it out now. And unfortunately, this is not a very sophisticated graphing tool. But this is how we express the solution set of a linear equation in two variables. We do it graphically. We first find some solutions, plot those solutions on our rectangular coordinate system, draw the straight line that contains all those points, put an arrowhead at each end to indicate that it goes on indefinitely, to indicate the infinite nature of the set of solutions to a linear equation in two variables.